Hi everybody, it's April from a.h.crochet.and.more, and more, and this is a unboxing slash review. And this is Turnstiles from Brand. I'm trying to make my table bigger. I've never used this yarn before. I'm not sure when it came out, but I saw it on sale, so I decided to check it out. It comes in 8 different colors, and it is a bulky 5. It's not like heavy bulky, it's just kind of bulky because of the way how fuzzy it is. It's not hard to work with. Let me pull some more out. I made a little swatch to show you guys, and I haven't tried to pull it out yet, or frog it. What am I doing? Because I was waiting for you guys. Did a couple rows of the double crochets. Let's see how it pulls out. Yeah, it doesn't pull out bad. You're going to have a little bit of snagging, but that's expected with this yarn. This kind of yarn anyway. The colors pretty much all look like fall colors to me. Plus with them being heavy, but I think it'll make a pretty cool looking hat, depending on the stitches you use. But with the colors, I think it'll still be pretty nice hats. That's mainly, I think, everything they have on their label. I just went brain dead for a minute. But this is a 48% acrylic, 34% wool, and 18% poly made. This color is foxglove. I think that's what this, yeah, this one is foxglove. Not sure how well you guys can see them colors on there. There, that's better. This one has the browns and pinks and reds in it. And this one is foxglove too. And I'm really hoping they match. They're supposed to be from the same dye lot, but from what I can see, some of it might look like it might match. But I'm really not sure. This end does look more like it'll match. So I ordered 2 scans of each one. This is the foxglove, which it comes in 8 different colors. These ones are Dala. How do you let you guys see how you say it? Delilah. That might be it, Delilah. That's the color of this one. It's more browns and purples. Then this is Bluebell. See what it looks like from that end. If my camera will focus on it. It's a little, I don't know if you can tell on here where these darker spots are. It's a little bit darker blue, and then the blues get lighter as you go to being gray. And this one is the same color, Bluebell. Let's see if it'll show. There it shows up better. And then the last one I have is Baby's Breath. I think it'll make some nice hats for this winter. It's it's only 109 yards, but I looked on Lion Brand's website, and that's who I ordered it from. And on Lion Brand's website, it's $6.49 each. Watch for it to be on sale. I got it for $3 something each, because I ordered them all on sale. And I'm thinking they were maybe around $3.50, $3.40, something like that. I can't remember exactly. I think they might have been 40% off or something when I seen them. So I thought I'd check it out and show you guys, or ladies. Good. I hope this was helpful for everybody. Like I said, it doesn't snag too bad. Any kind of yarn like this, though, is going to snag a little bit if you have to tear it out. But I think you can mainly work with it if you have to tear it out. Which, any fuzzy yarn like this, the bigger stitches helps. This called for a 6.5mm hook, and I only used a 6. So I'm sure with the 6.5mm it would rip out easier. But I hope this is helpful for all you guys. And like I said, if you check Lion Brand's website, they have, I'm trying to think if it's daily deals or weekly deals. I'm thinking maybe weekly, like Premier does. So if you check, check the websites out once or twice a week, catch some of the sales. That's what when I'm ordering yarn, I try to check the sales out. I don't think I really ever pay full price for any yarn I order, because I always try to order yarn that's on sale, and the new yarns, once in a while I will pay full price for it, just because I think they look really cool and I want to try them and do a review on them for you guys. But I want to thank everybody for watching. I'm almost down to the half crochets, or single crochets. You want to see how easy they rip, which I figure they usually give you a little bit harder of a time. About the same as the rest of it. It's not too bad. You just might have to wiggle it around a little bit. It kind of sounds like you're ripping the yarn, but you're not really. Which, single crochets, like for your starting chain, they always are harder to get. Even with the loose. I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching.